We're gonna be testing out this new tiller, and believe it or not, it's not DeWALT. I got this on Amazon. It's a little bit cheaper. It's Autocam, so I've never heard of them before. If you have, let me know what you think about them. We are going to till up some land over here in the garden because I want to plant corn this year, which I've never done before. We're gonna throw a battery on this. It is compatible with DeWALT batteries, which I really like. We're gonna throw it on, and then we are gonna go till up some dirt. See if this bad boy is as powerful as they say. This tiller really has more power than I was expecting. The best part is it was half the price on Amazon as those big named brands, but it still fits my DeWALT batteries, which I love. It takes a little bit of time, but if you're patient, this is a great tool that does the job. I was surprised how tough it was, even getting out the big rocks. Sometimes thick weeds would slow it down a bit, but I just cleaned those out from time to time, and it did just fine. I was also surprised how long the battery lasted. I only changed it once. Now I'm curious about other non-name brand tools out there that maybe I should consider picking up. Really quick, thank you guys so much for being here. I have so much fun creating content for you guys. So if you enjoy woodworking, DIY, or even the outdoors and travel, feel free to hit that subscribe button and like and share this video with someone you think would like it too. Let's get back to our program. Oh, okay, I'm not gonna lie. This thing packs a punch and I'm kind of getting tired, so I'm ready for a little break and then we will come back and finish the rest. Bam! Okay, Autocam, I think I'm gonna give you a 10 out of 10 for your tiller. I'm pretty impressed. This thing, it tilled up all of this, got out some freaking huge rocks. Like, wow. Guys, if you don't have one already, go get yourself a tiller. Makes planting a lot easier. Thank you guys so much for getting a little dirty with me today, playing in the mud. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to follow me here and on all of my socials at Sunny Moon. If you have any gardening requests, gardening tips, or you just want to see fun content, hit me up in the DMs. And until then, happy gardening!